Let's talk about what's new with Notion Agent. The team's been hard at work making a lot of really significant improvements over these past weeks. Today I want to go over some of the biggest ones so you can make the most of Agent's new capabilities. Let's do it. First up, Agent can now read your page comments. This is great because it means you can ask your agent to incorporate a particular comment or make larger revisions to incorporate them all at once. Next up, from just the past couple days, Notion Agent on mobile is more performant and beautiful. In the past, Notion Agent on mobile ran in a web view, but now we've rebuilt it natively, which means you can expect a faster and smoother experience. This means that it will be that much faster to quickly find information you need, to quickly capture an idea, or record a meeting with AI meeting notes. Next up, Notion Agent can now view page history. For starters, every Notion page has a detailed version history, which tracks all the changes that you or your colleagues make. Now Notion Agent can view version history and authors, so you can ask it questions like what changes were made to this document yesterday. This will help keep things transparent on your team, so you know what changed in a shared doc. Lastly, Notion Agent can now see selected blocks. This is a small but exciting change, which means that you can direct the agent's attention to certain parts of your page. Just highlight any block or part of your page, and then you can ask Agent, hey, make this better, and it will know what this refers to. That's it for today. I hope you like these recent improvements, and please let us know any way that we can continue to make Agent better for you and your team. We'd love to hear it.